Welcome to the Reserved Grace community. I am excited to invite you to an even closer connection with Reserved Grace. As a member, you'll enjoy exclusive perks, including pre-show shopping, get early access to selected vintage treasures before live shows, reserved pieces, special items set aside just for members, your treasures truly reserved, members-only updates, sneak peeks behind the scenes, and first looks at new collections, loyalty badges and custom emojis. Show off your Reserved Grace flair in the live chats and in the comments. Special surprises, private flash sales, extra discounts, and personal thank yous, because Grace should be personal. Membership starts at just $4.99 a month, and you can cancel anytime. Thank you for supporting Reserved Grace, where beauty, history, and connection are always celebrated.